Hey, thank you so much for joining Write Your Worst Book Ever. It's gonna be terrible. Just practice saying that. It's gonna be terrible. That's all I want to say. We're gonna have fun. I'm gonna make you sign this legal contract that we're not allowed to be too serious. And I'm starting it right now. See, I'm already joking. I can't even not laugh. This is gonna be like the craziest, silliest, wackiest course, I hope, that you've ever taken, until maybe like version 2, which is going to be crazier and sillier. But don't forget, I've written 28 books. I will remind you of that because I want you to write books, because writing books has benefited me in so many ways. I can't count them because it's more than 28, by the way. And it starts with one, but it starts with a bad one. And I wish I had 10 years of my life back when I struggled on my first book, and I should have just written a piece of garbage, and that would have made that second one just flow off that garbage pile like a slippery, buttery tinfoil. What? Hey, I'm getting sidetracked. What a surprise. All I want to do is welcome you to How to Write Your Worst Book Ever. You're going to enjoy it. We're going to get a book done. Here, you ready? This is like the pledge. I state your name. I state your name. I'm an author. See you on the inside.